What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the headrest on the E46 M3. I went ahead and did the first one. I'm struggling with it, that's why I'm sweating like this. But it's a little bit bigger. It's a little bit bigger than the stock one, but you still have visibility out of the rear view window. So I'm gonna get down in here, got myself a little pick tool, and pretty much what you want to do, let me get you guys around to the side. Right here, this one, just push this in and you can like pull the seat up, pull the headrest up, All right, so let's go ahead and pull this up. You know, the other one that was broken, I should have just left it. I think it's already up, but I think I had easy access to it by there we go. I think I had easy access to it because this part right here was off, like this one. See, let me see if you guys can see, like these break, right? Which is why I want to change them out. I've seen a lot of cars that have the rollover protection thing just hanging out, just dirty, just dusty. I don't know what I think. And I think it looks good, but I don't know. I don't want to keep it like that. I'm gonna put this other one back. Let me show you guys how to do it. Boy was out here struggling, sweating. All right, right in here, this is a cover. All right, so you want to move this cover up, and there's a clamp underneath. All right, there we go. See that? So let me set the camera down really quick. I'm just gonna keep on until I get the, what is this right there? Can I get, yeah. You should get this off. Oh man, my hand is blocking the way. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. I don't care if I punch a hole in that one now. Here we go. You raise this up like that. See this right here? So here, you drag this out. Drag that out, be careful, because it will fly out and the car gods will not forgive you. They will not. How do I know? I commune with them. You know me, I know them. I don't even know what the heck I'm talking about. But you get it. All right, now we set this down. And all we have to do now, yeah. Just come around the side, squeeze, pull up and out, and there goes the broken one. And then all we have to do is just repeat the process. Trust the process. Okay, man, like that. We put this back, make sure that nobody can pull it out. Right in there. Let's get my finger out of the way so you guys can see it. Yeah, it was raining earlier, and I forgot my stuff at home. I had to go back home. Come on, you know you want to go in there. Come on, man. Like, try not to mess anything up. Yeah, there you go. Right in there, just like that. Spin this back around. Cover it up like so. But yeah, there it is, looking good, looking good. Yeah, like I said, they're a little bit bigger. If you look, they're a little bit bigger. I know you probably can't tell it's because of the camera, but it's just a little bit bigger. But it's complete. Yes. Yes. All right, so guys, that's about it. I just wanted to fix this up and make it look fresh. Look at that, you can see the headrest right there. Check it out. Yes, sir. But yeah, support your boy. Trying to hit 1K by the end of the year. I need that special. We can do it. We made it, boys. Still a couple more things I have to do with this car, but we'll save that for the garage. My sister's car is almost done. I'm slapping it together. You know what? I'm still looking for, I'm not looking, I know what set I want. But we're gonna do some BBS wheels. You guys have to admit, this is this is gonna be one of the best roller cars out there. Give some Bilstein. Yeah. Support your boy, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.